In this video, we will compare BEEHIIV, SUBSTACK, and Convertkit. If you guys want to get started with either BEEHIIV, SUBSTACK, or Convertkit, you can use the links given down in the description. BEEHIIV is a relatively new entrant in the email marketing and newsletter space, designed to cater to both individual creators and businesses. It emphasizes ease of use and comprehensive analytics, making it a strong contender for those looking to grow and engage their audience. BEEHIIV offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to create visually appealing newsletters without any coding knowledge. The platform provides detailed insights into email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber behavior. BEEHIIV includes automation tools that allows users to set up email sequences, welcome series, and triggered emails based on subscriber actions. Users can segment their audience based on various criteria, enabling personalized and targeted email campaigns. BEEHIIV supports subscription-based newsletters and integrates with payment processors to facilitate paid content. The platform integrates with various third-party tools and services, including social media platforms and CRM systems. If we talk about the pricing and plans, BEEHIIV offers several options. First, there is the launch plan, which is free. Then we have the scale plan at $39 per month, followed by the max plan at $99 per month. For larger needs, there is also an enterprise plan without custom pricing. SUBSTACK is a well-known platform designed specifically for writers and journalists who want to publish and monetize their newsletters. It has gained popularity for its simplicity and focus on content creation. SUBSTACK provides a straightforward writing and publishing interface, making it easy for writers to focus on content without technical distractions. The platform is built around a subscription model, allowing writers to offer both free and paid newsletters. SUBSTACK handles payment processing and subscriber management. SUBSTACK includes features for building a community, such as comments and discussions, helping writers engage with their audience. SUBSTACK operates on a revenue-sharing model, taking a percentage of subscription fees. This can be beneficial for writers who prefer a low upfront cost. While easy to use, SUBSTACK offers limited design customization options compared to other platforms. Basic analytics are provided, including open rates and subscriber growth, but they are not as advanced as some other platforms. Convertkit offering a visual automation builder that allows users to create complex email sequences and workflows based on subscriber behavior. If we talk about its pricing, first we have the newsletter plan, which is free. Then we have the creator plan at $25 per month, and finally, the pro plan at $50 per month. The platform provides detailed tagging and segmentation capabilities, enabling highly targeted email campaigns. Convertkit includes customizable forms and landing pages to help users capture leads and grow their email lists. Users can sell digital products directly through Convertkit, with features for payment processing and product delivery. Convertkit integrates with numerous third-party tools, including e-commerce platforms, membership sites, and course software. The platform offers comprehensive analytics and reporting tools, providing insights into email performance, subscriber engagement, and sales. BEEHIIV, SUBSTACK, and Convertkit each offer distinct advantages depending on the user's needs. BEEHIIV provides a balanced combination of ease of use, analytics, and monetization options, making it ideal for both individuals and businesses. SUBSTACK excels in simplicity and is particularly well suited for writers looking to monetize their newsletters through subscriptions. Convertkit offers powerful automation and segmentation capabilities, catering to professional creators who require advanced features to manage and grow their audience. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific goals, technical expertise, and the type of content you plan to create and distribute. So that is BEEHIIV versus SUBSTACK versus Convertkit. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either BEEHIIV and SUBSTACK or Convertkit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.